If your pumping application calls for a dedicated vehicle equipped with a high suction power pump, then Wastecorp is your answer for the toughest pump-out jobs. Meet the Super Duty Vacuum Pump XUV series, available in electric, gas, and diesel models. Both the vehicle and the pump can operate on the same power, improving your job site productivity. Select from 45 to 300 gallon models with either a waste tank only or a waste plus fresh water compartment, ideal for rinse down services. Wastecorp can custom configure your system with control panels, extended hose options, strobe lights, and power options to meet the specific needs of your facility or industry. When it comes to pumping power, Wastecorp offers 5 different CFM ranges, starting at 35 CFM up to 520 CFM. The Super Duty XUV series is ideal for pumping general wastewater, waste trap grease, septic waste, porta potties, car wash grid, and industrial wastewater. With high-quality brass valves mounted at the suction and discharge ports, you'll be able to pump in waste and discharge quickly and efficiently. Utility vehicles can be equipped with the latest features, like LED lights, battery charger, dash tray, reverse alarm, and custom options, including 4-wheel drive, horn, strobe lights, cabin closures, and bucket or bench seating. Payload capacity and towing capacity depend on the vehicle selected. Get your custom dedicated Super Duty XUV series pump-out vehicle configured to your specifications today by calling 888-829-2783 or visit us at wastecorp.com.